Hey, it's Eric with Sprucehill here. I wanted to do a quick reveal video for you to show you a renovation that we recently completed for this amazing home in West Van. We're very fortunate to get to work with this client with his beautiful view. And we completely changed her living room by installing this new fireplace from Maxwell, as well as an inset for her television. All of the edges of this custom tile have been mitered to exacting standards. I'm not sure if you can tell from this video whether or not there's grout lines or not. I'm telling you there are, but they're barely noticeable. And you can even see how clean everything is against the floor here. This is an air intake. At the very top is an air outtake. So this fire is not cold to the touch, but it is safe. It's called a heat shift fireplace. Anyways, I just think that this is a phenomenal finished result, and I couldn't be any more proud of the final finished product that our team put together for this fantastic client. Thanks for watching, and give us a call if you'd like to transform your living space to look something like this.